Welcome to the tutorial of how to use the dishwasher and 3-compartment manual sink within the Quantity Lab. Make sure to wash your hands thoroughly before beginning any task within the lab and wear the proper attire such as hairnets and black non-slip ServSafe certified sneakers. Before beginning any task and after washing your hands, be sure to grab a green bucket and fill it with hot water and dish soap. Be sure to grab a bottle of multi-quat sanitizer and a clean rag and wash and sanitize any surfaces before you begin your daily task.
This is the dish drop-off return. Plates, cups, and anything that goes into the dishwasher will be placed and left here during service. It is important to make sure that no knives or items that can be hand washed or used as a compartment sink are placed here.
This is the basin used to soak utensils and silverware in. Be sure there is hot soapy water inside and change the water often. You can find the basin next to the 3-compartment manual sink on the drying rack on the bottom level.
These are some of the containers we will use for the dishwasher. This one specifically are for cups. We will put cups in each individual compartment. This flat bin is for silverware and other utensils after soaking in the soaking bin. The next container we will use is the individual silverware. First, silverware will go in the flat bin, run through the dishwasher first, and then after running through the dishwasher, it will be separated by the dishwasher into each compartment by the utensil.
Make sure to use the appropriate racks for the appropriate dishes, which can be found under the dish return. When washing dishes, make sure to use single-use gloves and then put dishwashing gloves over the single-use gloves and make sure they're also over your sleeves to prevent them from getting wet. Before using the dishwasher, make sure that it's set at the appropriate temperatures and that it reaches at least 150 degrees Fahrenheit for the wash cycle and at least 180 degrees for the rinse cycle. When using the garbage disposal, make sure there's no metal items or dishes within it before starting it, and be sure to use the splash guard so when you turn it on, it does not spray food all over the place.
This is where we will allow dishes to dry. Once coming from the dishwasher, allow the dishes to cool, and when comfortable, transfer the dishes from the racks to the drying rack. These are our 3-compartment sinks. Each sink is designated for a specific purpose. Your first sink is going to be warm or hot water with soap. First, you need to close the drain of the sink. Turn the knob facing downwards. Then, turn your nozzle over the soap dispenser and turn on the hot water. The next sink is just for warm, fresh water. You will turn the knob to this compartment and turn your hot water on. Again, make sure to check and close the drain. When finished, you can release the drain. Your last sink is going to be for sanitizer and warm water. Again, make sure your sink is closed. Put the faucet over the sanitizer dispenser and turn on your hot water. Here are for larger pots and pans that cannot fit in the dishwasher. This bowl, for example. First, you will spray off any debris in the bowl.
When washing dishes, be sure to use the appropriate scrubbing brush to remove food debris before putting it in the rinse compartment of the sink. Take note of what type of brush you are using. Certain brushes at the sink have certain functions. For example, this brush is used to wash things that have come into contact with raw meat.
Once you have your sinks ready, take your bowl or your large equipment and soak in each sink for roughly about 30 seconds until all your debris is removed. Then, from the soap sink, place in the water sink and make sure to fully rinse your bowl. Then, your last step is sanitizing the bowl, which then you'll soak in your last sink. Then you will place your bowl out to dry. Again, all things are air dried. Be careful with knives. Knives can be very unsafe if not handled properly. First, rinse off your knife, and then with each sink, never leave a knife at the bottom of the sink and always know where your knife is. Again, similar with the bowl, you will take the knife into each sink, carefully moving it from sink to sink, again, roughly 30 seconds or until the debris is removed. Your last step again will be sanitizing in the sink and then air drying, but never leave your knife at the bottom of the sink.
Pictured here is the pipes below the 3-compartment manual sink, which demonstrate the open flow, and this prevents backflow from happening.
This is our housekeeping closet. This closet is going to contain all of the materials we need to sanitize and clean. A brief overview, you will see that we have our mops and our brooms, our dustpans, as well as we have a cabinet for extra storage that contains a lot of the equipment we will use in our quantity lab. Here you will find your different soaps and cleaners. First, you have your sanitizer.
The multi-quad sanitizer should be put into a labeled spray bottle, which is then used to sanitize surfaces that have been exposed to microbes and pathogens.
In addition, you have a multi-surface disinfectant cleaner.
The multi-surface cleaner and disinfectant is used to disinfect surfaces.
All are connected to these tubes, which then are dispensed through your buttons. Remember to turn on or switch from off to on your backflow. This prevents backflow from any of the pipes into your cleaning or your water supply. This is on and this is off. You must turn the switch before you can turn on to have a flow of water. You will fill up your mop buckets here. In addition, you will find your mop handles and your mops. After mopping the floor, you need to rinse off your mops and leave them here to dry. This brush is your floor drain cleaner. After production, you need to clean the drains out.
At the end of production, use this powder bleach cleanser to clean the 3-compartment manual sink as well as the InSinkErator and all of the hand washing sinks. Thank you for viewing our tutorial on how to use the dishwasher and the 3-compartment manual sink as well as the cleaning supplies. This video stars Alex and the voiceover and editing is done by Kiana.